Hi, I've got my Home Designer Pro 2021 trial version open. I'm just going to draw two little simple houses. There's house number, or structure number one, we'll call it. Okay, and here's structure number two. Whoops, didn't mean to do that, but that's okay. Okay, now these structures, we'll do a cross section through them both, have exactly the same ceiling heights and the same floor heights you can see there. And that's because the software considers everything in the plan view, everything in your plan file, to be this, to follow the same defaults. You go to edit default settings, floors and rooms, floor levels, floor one. And so everything is going to, when you build it, is going to come in with a 9-foot ceiling and have the floor height at 0. So then it's incumbent upon you. The software is not going to do it. If this structure is to be higher than this, and you open the dialog box, go to the structure tab and raise the floor 24 inches, for instance. I think auto build roofs is on. Yeah, it is. Okay. So now, see now, this one is 24 inch, has a 24-inch higher floor, but a 9-foot ceiling, and this one has a at 0 with a 9-foot. I think it's 9 foot. I didn't check that. Let's open the dialog box and see what it says. Okay, it put it at 83 inches. See, I didn't tell it to have a 9-foot ceiling, so it didn't have one. It's trying to follow its defaults. That's how it's programmed to work. So now, with auto roofs on, yeah, now we have a 9-foot ceiling, a floor that's 24 inches higher than the default at 0. You see that? Okay, let's build a terrain. I'm going to open the terrain dialog box and just set it at 7 inches. And then we'll take a look isometrically. So this one's at 0. This has a floor of 0, a 9-foot ceiling height. This has a floor level of 24 inches and 9 feet. So you get the idea. Okay, now this time I'm going to go over here to this one and lower it to minus 36. And then update the ceiling to be, again, 9 feet relative to that floor level. So minus 36 with a 108 inch finished ceiling. Now, of course, I need to change this to, because I lowered the floor, and so that would be 43 instead of 7. See, and now this one's at 0, and this one's at minus 36. Let's take a look at that in elevation. So that's how you have to do this. See, this is like 7 inches out of the ground. This is quite a bit more out of the ground. This is 0 inches, and this is minus 36. So given the rather mechanistic way that the software is pre-programmed to work, you have to step in and, instill order into it manually yourself. And that's just, whether you like it or not, that's the way it is. And you can do it once you understand the relationship between the defaults and exceptions that you impress manually, like I did on this structure here relative to this one. This is the default heights, except for the terrain. And this one's at minus 36, 9-foot ceiling, and just a few inches above the terrain. Okay, that's it. I just thought I'd do a quick video like that, see if that wouldn't help you straighten things out. The new users have to get out of their head that the software knows something, that it has any judgment. It doesn't know anything. It only knows what it's preset to do or what you manually set it properly to do. And then it does that quite beautifully as an assistant robot, but it doesn't have any knowledge, judgment, or experience itself. It's just a mechanical device. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you. Have a great day, whatever happens.